You've got a gas grill. I'm going to show you the best way to smoke on it. So this is the Weber Traveller. It's a nice portable grill and it uses gas, but I want to add a little bit of smoky flavour to it. I'm going to use some cherry chunks, wrap them in foil and then pierce that with a knife and put that near the burner so that will smoke away and add a lovely smoky flavour to our food on this grill. So I'm using my house rub on these chicken thighs. It's got lovely spices, salt, pepper, a little bit of sugar, garlic and lots of herbs. So it's going to be delicious on these chicken thighs. All right, let's get some sausages on. So these are ready now. They've been smoking away on this gas grill. Let's have a taste. Those are delicious. I can definitely get a lovely bit of the cherry smoke from that chunk of cherry wood on these sausages. I'm going to taste all of this, but that's simply how to just level up the flavours on your gas grill.